Good morning, everyone. I know we have a bunch of issues going on with the printer. So I'm going to show you the steps how we can do the color printing without any problem. So if you're using Google Chrome, like I said in the previous video, if you're using Google Chrome keeps the track of the old printers. So what you need to do is the first thing is clear out your old printers if you have not cleared it yet. Like, as I mentioned in the previous video, you'll have to first clear out your old printers because, like I said, Google keeps a track of those. So I'm going to show you how to print now. I'm just going to open a doc here. Let's do Google here. So you can either press Control P, that's what I do mostly, or you can hit the computer icon. So if you're using a color printer, you need to make sure that you get a box which will ask you to put your code. And what I would really like you to do is click on the arrow first, click on See More, and select the printer. In this case, I'm going to select Elementary Computer Lab. It by default goes to black and white. And if you want to print color, you can switch to color. So I'm going to do color here, hit print. Wait for a little bit. Sometimes it takes a little while and it will give you this box. If you don't get this box, you're probably not going to get the job printed. So one of the problem I've seen is people not switching this box to the authentication. It's by default, it's at none. You will have to click here, click on user number, put your code. Just put a check here so you don't have to do it again and again. And you hit OK, and this will print. If you follow this step, you will have no problems printing. If you need help, just create a ticket or call us. We'll take care of it. Thank you. Bye-bye.